नमस्ते एवरीवन। मैं ये वीडियो भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम पे बना रही हूँ। सबसे पहले व्हाट इज प्राणायाम। प्राणायाम मतलब प्राण मतलब लाइफ फोर्स। जैसे एज वी बॉर्न वी स्टार्ट ब्रीदिंग एंड वी ब्रीथ टिल वी डाई। ओके, सो प्राण मीन्स ब्रीथ लाइक आपने नोटिस भी किया होगा, जैसे हम व्हेन वी आर एंग्री वी ब्रीथ short deep breaths. When we sad we breathe slowly, and there is called as happy breathing. That is when we are happy the breathing pattern is different. So breathing is very much connected to our emotions, to our life. So in pranayam we focus on our breathing. So in pranayam we focus on our breathing. ब्रीदिंग में प्राणायाम, देयर आर मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ प्राणायाम लाइक कपालभाति, अनुलोम विलोम, नाड़ी शोधना प्राणायाम, भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. देयर आर सो मेनी. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग यू द भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, इट इज अ वेरी energizing प्राणायाम. Like you will feel very active the whole day. If you do Bhastrika daily, now you will feel active daily, like the whole day, 24 almost 24 hours you will be active. Okay, so the pran, the life force, it flows through all the nadis. Now what is nadi? We have 72,000 nadis. Nadis are the energy centers called as chakra in our body. There are 72,000 in our body, 72,000. Okay, so we practice pranayam for the smooth flow of the प्राण through these nadis. Okay, तो चलते हैं हम भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम की तरफ. तो कैसे करना है मैं वो बता सब, कैसे क्या गलतियां नहीं करनी है, क्या कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस है इसके, वो सब बता देती हूँ मैं. सबसे पहले तो वी कैन डू इन दिस इज सुखासन, जिसको हम बोलते हैं आलती पालती मारना. ठीक है. प्रीफरेबली वी हैव टू डू इन वज्रासन. So this is Vajrasan. The starting position for the Bhastrika Pranayam is Vajrasan, preferably Vajrasan, and then go palms facing the ceiling or the sky, spine straight. One breathe in and breathe out here. Breathe in, breathe out. Now make a loose fist and keep it in front of the shoulders. Elbows close to the rib cage. It's not like this, not ऐसे here. And loose fist will be in front of shoulder, not like this weightlifting. It's like this. Okay. Take one breathe in, breathe out here. Breathe in, breathe out. So as we inhale, open your fist. As we exhale forcefully. Active expiration होगा like this. Loose fist in front of shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. One more thing you have to do is you have to keep your eyes closed. Focus on your breathing and inhale up, exhale forcefully, and niche in front of the shoulder. Keep your hands, keep your elbows wrist, keep your elbows close to the rib cage. Open when you go up, closed when you come down. And one more thing जो याद रखना है कि when we are going up and down, do not change facial expressions like closing eyes tightly or changing expressions. these things. Just keep a smile on your face and close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Like this. Do 15 to 20 counts, one set. Do 3 sets, and in between keep your palms facing upwards on your thighs, eyes closed. Feel the sensations in your body. See your breath. See your breath going in and out. Feel the sensation in your arms, hand. Feel the flow of energy in your body. Feel the aura around you. Feel the breath. Feel the sensations in your body. So you have to do 3 sets, 15 to 20 का count, or if you are tired in between, you can stop then and there. अब जिनको नहीं करना है ये, तो जिनको हार्ट पेशेंट्स है या जिनको बीपी प्रॉब्लम्स है, उनको ये नहीं करना है. इफ दे वांट टू डू, they do not have to do forceful expiration. They can do like this. Slow inhalation, like this. Like they do not have to do forceful expiration. One more mistake which you do not have to do is, when you are, do not raise your hands like this. You have to do this. People, they have problem like heart diseases or heart disease को तो करना ही नहीं है. If at all they want to do, they do not do the expiration forcefully. And the BP patient, they should not do this. And elderly people, they can start with the 5 counts. 5 counts for each set, 3 sets. So this is our Bhastrika Pranayam. If any questions or queries, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you so much.